High-power battery spot welder. Supports dual pen or single pen spot welding operation. Charging via Type-C interface is supported. The bottom can accommodate positive and negative electrode spot welding pens. Dual pen connection. Connect the red spot welding pen to the positive pole. Connect the black spot welding pen to the negative pole. Dual pen connection completed. When connecting with a single pen, remove the red spot welding pen. Single pen connection completed. Long press the center button to turn on the spot welder. System settings allow for language and other adjustments. The main interface allows selection of low, medium, or high settings. If customization is needed, parameters can be modified below. Select an appropriate gear. Align the battery cell terminals with the spot welding seat. Align the battery leads with the battery cell terminals. Ensure that the terminals make good contact. Complete spot welding step by step. If you encounter any problems, please contact the technical support personnel.